Hello, friends. I would like to welcome everyone to the 6th annual celebration of Human Rights Day. Our NGO was established 7 years ago with the purpose of protecting the rights of common people as well as supporting the poor and deserted people. For all those who are new to our NGO, I would brief about the background of Human Rights Day. Adopted in the year 1948 by the United Nations General Assembly, it is observed every year on December 10th by the international community. The day is usually marked by high-level political conferences and meetings as well as by cultural events and exhibitions which deal with the issues of human rights. Our NGO is one of its kind in this district, thus we deal with all types of issues involving protecting and advocating human rights. Like every year, this year too, we will be working around one theme, and this year's theme is right to education. This right recognizes right to free and compulsory primary education for everyone as well as a commitment and responsibility to develop secondary education available to all, especially through the introduction of secondary education free of cost and an obligation to expand equitable and impartial access to higher education, through development of free higher education. Education is everyone's right, and it is very critical, especially for people staying in rural areas, to understand the value of education. In most of the remote areas in our country, parents still feel that girl child is not required to study as they ultimately have to manage home. This is absolutely an unfair expectation, as education makes girls stronger and helps them in taking decisions as well as managing home in a better way. It also gives them mental as well as intellectual strength to fight against the ill practices prevalent in our society, such as dowry, torture, domestic violence, and other crimes against women. I am proud to share that our NGO has transformed around 100 such villages into more awakened places. With the help of donations received, we have opened primary, secondary as well as higher secondary schools in approximately 89 villages so far and are in the progress of making schools in the remaining 11 villages. We are getting enormous support and appreciation from several people, especially youngsters, in our mission. There are many youths who impart free education involuntarily at these schools, and it's a great beginning, I would say. We have also received the support of the state government for spreading awareness towards education in more and more villages and rural areas. Government has also promised us financial support in opening up schools in more and more villages. I am thankful to the government that it is fulfilling its duty and supporting noble deeds. Educating people is a great deed and gives me a lot of satisfaction when I see girls going to schools, talking positive about their future, reading news, etc. I feel all the more happy to see grin on their parents' face as they acknowledge the fact now that there is no difference between a girl and a boy child, and education is everyone's right. In the coming year, we will be targeting 100 more villages, and I want volunteers who would like to join the mission. You may give your details at the counter and wait for my mail that will give you more details on the subject. If you have any questions, please contact me over the phone. Thank you.